Good afternoon, students. Uh, Today I will start the emasculation and pollination of cotton. Students, we already have completed the floral biology of cotton. Means we have studied about the um, calyx, corolla, sepals, petals, and endoecium, gynoecium, which is the different part of the flower of the cotton. So these things we have completed. Only the remaining part of the of cotton is emasculation. After that, the pollination. So let us start with the emasculation. Everybody knows about the emasculation. Emasculation means we are removing the male part of flower, okay, without damaging the female part. That is the stigma, okay. That is the emasculation. And the pollination meaning we transferring the pollen from the male part to female part, that is stigma. So that is the pollination, okay. What we have done in the cotton uh, for emasculation process is that first we have to remove the the vegetative part, that are the apicalyx, corolla, okay. Apicalyx just present below the sepal, okay. These are the small bract like structure which is a present below the uh, sepals, okay. We have to remove this. After that, corolla means it is a white color, white or yellow, we can say it is a yellow, maybe white color or maybe yellow colors, uh, petals are there in the flower. So we, after that, we have to remove this. And after that, staminal column means that it is a column of stamens which is present in the flower, okay. So we have to remove these three parts. First is apicalyx, after that corolla, and finally staminal column we have to remove, okay. uh, During the process of removing, we have to take care about the injury of the stigma. If injury will happen in the stigma, then what will be happen? If you will do the pollination, means you will transfer the pollen grain on the surface of the stigma, okay. After the transferring the germination of the pollen, or we can say after that the germination of the pollen, a pollen tube will form. Then the germination process and pollen tube formation will not occur properly, means chances of the seed production or chances of the seed setting will be hampered, okay. So we have to take care about the damage of the stigma, okay, during the removing process of apicalyx, corolla, and staminal column in the flower, okay. During this process, if you will use gibberellic acid in the concentration of 100 ppm, okay, if you will use this concentration of gibberellic acid hormone in the anther, then we can also get a improved seed setting, okay. Means if you want to increase the seed setting, or if you want to increase the number of the seed after the crossing, so then you have to use 100 ppm solution of gibberellic acid hormone, okay. Otherwise pollination will occur and seed setting also occur, but that much of seed setting will not happen, okay. So that you have to use gibberellic acid in the concentration that is the 100 ppm, okay. For the emasculation, after the for the emasculation we have removed. After that, what we have to do? A straw, that is the soda straw. It is like a tube like structure. So we have to put over the stigma, or if you don't have the straw, then you can use a butter paper bag, okay. Just put over the flower which is the emasculated, okay. And then after you have to tie it, okay, or you can clip also, okay. So that is the emasculation process have completed. After that, you have what you have to do? After that, you have to choose a male flower, okay. Male flower where you want to take pollen, Okay, so you have to choose the a desirable male plant where the pollen is sufficiently abundantly present. You take the pollens, okay, in you have to take the pollen and dust over the emasculated flower or over the surface of the stigma. Then pollination will be completed. But one thing that is the noticeable is that emasculation process and the pollination process should be completed simultaneously in the morning, and the time is 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Between these 2 hours you have to complete both process, emasculation as well as pollination. Means it will help to increase the seed setting. Otherwise what will happen, you decrease the seed setting. So this thing is that, and, and that is the only the process only. Okay, and already I have sent a video in a Google Classroom. You can see practically how the crossing is happening in the field. Okay, and by seeing this video you can more understand than theoretically make you understand by me. Okay, so you have to see this video which I have sent in your Google Classroom. Okay, it is a very simple process. Only just you have to remove the apicalyx and corolla after the staminal column. Okay, uh, or how can you remove? Just you peel out peel out of the flower, or uh, means you can also use the means straw also you can use this. Suppose this is the flower, you straw, when you put the straw, then staminal column and this calyx or what you will say apicalyx and corolla will remove. Or just you can suppose this is the flower and just you can peel out it. So then staminal column and apicalyx or corolla also removed. After that you have to bag, and in next morning or same day you can pollinate with the help of pollen. Okay, and just you collect the pollen and dust over the surface of the flower or emasculated flower surface or stigma surface. So that is the process. And one thing is that if you want to increase the seed setting in the flower, you have to use 100 ppm gibberellic acid. So that is the thing only you have to understand. Okay, on one video which I sent you in the Google Classroom, you must watch this, so that in field how the emasculation is or and pollination is going on, you going on is you can understand these things. Okay, okay, thank you so much, student. If you find any problem, you can message me or call me. Okay, thank you so much.